Okay, after setting up your SNOO, it's time to slip your baby into the SNOO sack. Remove the blue band and slide the small sack up and off the safety clips. Unzip it and remove the insert. Now, lay the open SNOO sack on a flat surface and place your baby on top of the open sack. Put the shoulders just a bit higher than the top of the fabric. Straighten each arm and snugly pull the inner bands across your baby's chest and Velcro them closed. Then just zip it up all the way. The SNOO sack is so easy, we call it the 5-second swaddle, and it is so secure that even little Houdini babies can't sneak out. And make sure the bottom of the zipper is closed too. Fully closing the zipper keeps your baby from having the bands rise up over the face. The SNOO sack has airy mesh that helps prevent overheating, and it lets you see your baby's legs, so you always know that the legs are open and relaxed, the safest position for your baby's growing hips. The sack also has wings with a little loop on both sides. When you slide the little loops onto the SNOO safety clips, infants stay in the safe, on the back position, so you'll never again wake up at 2 a.m. worried that your baby rolled to a risky position. In the next video, I'll go over how to use SNOO to help your baby sleep safely.